Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Humming Along stamp set. Now, I received this stamp set for free when I attended the Onstage Live convention in Orlando in November 2018. So it was like a free gift and I was super excited to get it and very grateful to Stampin' Up to give us free product. So I have this balmy blue card and I have treated it with my embossing buddy, and the embossing buddy neutralizes any static electricity. It also neutralizes oils from your hands or hand cream or what have you. And now I'm using a clear sticky ink called Versamark to randomly stamp the leaf image all over my balmy blue cardstock. And in a second here, I will be sprinkling on white embossing powder and heating it with my heat tool. Now, if you haven't seen embossing, before, this is a really cool technique and uses some really fun tools. Here's a strip of vellum, and I am stamping in the Versamark ink for the sentiment here. And it says, "Hope you feel better really soon." And again, just sprinkling it with that white embossing powder. Now, here's my heat tool, and for thin papers, I like to heat from behind. And then because the Balmy Bloom is a thicker paper, I'm heating it from the front just to make it quicker and so that the heat isn't always on the paper. It can buckle and do some weird stuff. Now I'm just putting some adhesive along the top portion of the back of the card, and then I'm just going to fold that vellum over. So vellum, you can't really put adhesive behind it because it shows. So this is a really nice way of putting adhesive and not having the adhesive show. And because I did heat emboss this, I am putting a lot of adhesive on the back so that it doesn't bow or anything like that. It's nice and flush to the Whisper White card base. So now I'm using my iridescent sequins and I'm using Tombow glue to dot on my paper, and then using my take your pick tool to pick up a sequin and just the other part of the take your pick tool, the stylus end here, and I'm just using that to place it down. And then I will go over all my sequins with my fine tip glue pen. And the reason why I'm doing that is just I'm making doubly sure that the sequins are not going to move from my card. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.